In this video, I will show you how to forward webmails to Gmail in Hostinger. So let's get started with the video. Once we log into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the dashboard will look. I have only one domain in my hosting account, vibeskill.io. If you have more than one domain, select the domain in which the webmail is associated. We need to click the Manage button. Next, we need to click the Manage Email button under the Manage Your Email section. Next, we need to click the Mailboxes tab on the left side of this page. Here we can see that only one webmail account has been created. To forward webmail to a Gmail account, we will need to click the three-dotted More option. And from the drop-down list, we will need to select the Create Forwarder option. Again, in this pop-up window, we will need to enter the Gmail account to which the emails in the webmail account will be forwarded. And here we will need to activate the toggle button to save copies of the forwarded emails in the webmail account. And finally, click the Create button. Next, for the forwarder to be active, we will need to click and confirm the forwarding in the Gmail account that we entered here. And done. You can see here that the email forwarder has been set up. And with this, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, and comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel for updates.